What's up, guys? Welcome back into another video. Today I'm going to try to do Witherstorm versus big tornadoes, and you see there's a Witherstorm, so it's kind of long. Yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and share the video. Today, and you're wondering why I didn't do any uploads, because I didn't have any ideas and I was playing some Roblox. Yeah, drop your ideas in the comments, guys. Subscribe. Oh, there you go, the Witherstorm has summoned. I got a new headphone. I got a headphone, not a microphone. My microphone is broken over there. So where is this Witherstorm, guys? Yo, gotta make it why is he so that high? I can't even reach it. He is so fast. The tornado's big. Yeah, let's make it 7, bro. Oh my god. Tornado, how dare you to kill this Witherstorm? What is happening? Name someone. Wither. Yeah, Wither. Is my sound good? Is my sound good, guys? I don't know about it. Drop it in the comments, bro. Subscribe. Guys, I really need ideas. I don't have any ideas for making a video. This was my first idea. Drop your ideas in the comments and subscribe, like, and share the video. Why is it only lightning bolt? What? Oh, that was loud, bro. So the tornadoes here, the tornado mod is linked in the description, and the Witherstorm mod. Subscribe. Subscribe. That's scared because I was playing 99 Nights in the Forest before starting this video. Wait, I got an idea. I'm lazy. I'm just gonna do this. Let's make it 3. Bro's just doing spin, like spin. Witherstorm is saying subscribe to Raycraft. 4.5. Rose got fatter. .5. Let's do 4 first. Then 0.5. That is loud! What? Guys, I think the tornado wins. Smash kill, that's on E. Why did the tornado not die? Wait, I think it did. Did it die? What are these tornadoes? That makes me scared. No. Is he still alive though? Bro. Yeah, there is. There's a big tornado. Subscribe. Why is the tornado that far? And look at it, so big. If you guys want to see me how to download and install the tornado mod and the Witherstorm mod, it's on my channel right now. I like to do a survival series with this tornado mod. Where is it going, bro? Damn, are you okay? Bro think everybody is not subscribed. Oh, I know why. Because you guys didn't subscribe and the tornado by it's thing that mistake. Okay, that's it for today's video. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment the video. Drop your ideas in the comments. And I don't know what to do. So subscribe, like, share, and subscribe, like, and share the video. Bye. Subscribe. See you in the next video.